Proper Greek style. Long way down there. What a view. That looks like a nice place to stay. Venete nostimos.
The best restaurant with the best baklava.
Kalimera from Folegandros. Beautiful Greek island here in the Aegean. Had a lovely sleep last night at Periali Rooms. I'd definitely recommend this hotel. It's ultimate peace and relaxation here. It's so quiet. Got a lovely beach in front of us. Breakfast was also really nice. Greek yogurt, local honey and nuts, can't beat it. We're going to have a relaxing day now down the beach. Kalispera guys, good afternoon. We've just sat down at this lovely beachfront taverna.
Same one we were at yesterday.
Same one we were at yesterday, yeah. Gone for a classic fix alas, it's gone for a coat. And we've had last night and a full morning here in Folegandros. The snorkelling here is amazing in this cove here. Beautiful, beautiful waters here. Lots of wildlife, lots of fish. There's also some great cliffs to jump off over there. We jumped off earlier. So what do you think of Folegandros so far then, Kit?
The sea here is very, very clear. Like, it's the clearest sea I've probably ever seen, to be honest with you. You've got to fly in your hat.
It's probably one of the quietest places I've ever been in my life. It gets to like midnight around here. It's just complete silence, apart from the crickets and the sea. Where me and Kit are staying at a galley, it's a great place to relax and wind and be shut off. It's very, very remote location. Got a lovely pork souvlaki to share. It's banging, doesn't it?
Do you use both slices of lemon or just
Yeah, go on both.
extra lemon?
Proper Greek style.
Like the chips as well. Why not?
We'll do the honours, Kit. Good souvlaki. Proper carnivore style off the skewer.
Seasoned well, isn't it?
That's good souvlaki. Yeah, it is seasoned really well. So I read a lot of these smaller islands, as you can imagine, all the food is all local produce. And a lot of these tavernas, they're all family owned, so it's nice. And the food's great, isn't it? The fries, look,
They're hot.
they're nice there. I love fries in Greece. Got a local beer here, a katsika beer. Katsika means goat in Greek, and on the bottle it's got a nice picture of the Panagia, the church in the old town. One of the iconic pictures of Folegandros, you see the Panagia church on the Chora, above the Chora. It's got winding steps all the way up. It looks really nice, so I'm really looking forward to seeing that in person. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy my katsika beer, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yamas. was saying, it's very barren, rocky, really interesting, dramatic landscape, and in between the towns there's literally nothing, just farmland, wild goat donkeys, and just big cliffs with sheer drops to the sea. Very beautiful there. And you can see the Panagia out there, and there's Chora. Right guys, we're just beginning our walk up to the Church of Panagia, the Virgin Mary. It's just up here. That looks like a nice place to stay. Beginning the ascent now. Wow, spectacular view. And there's the Chora, the main town of Folegandros. Looks very biblical here, like it hasn't changed in years, hundreds of years. As you can see on Folegandros, besides the main settlements, there isn't much going on at all. Very quiet, barren, rocky island, natural beauty. Hello, how are you? What a beautiful old church. You can really see how tiny this island is. You can see most corners of it here. Honestly guys, it's a dream come true to be up here. I've wanted to come here for a very long time, since I've seen the pictures of this beautiful church. Symbol of Folegandros on the spike there, on the top of the church fence. Amazing view up here. Long way down there. Spot. Honestly can't get over that view, it's amazing. The sky seems to melt into the sea. What a view. People having a barbecue here. Brought a spread, they've brought cool boxes. Better clean up after themselves. What a beautiful house or villa. Another beautiful Orthodox church up there. Boat tour, rent a car place. Prickly pear crepes. Sweet crepes with Greek honey, peanut butter, praline, nuts, biscuit, lemon, cinnamon, sugar. Should go here for one after.
There might be strawberries and chocolate.
Oh wow. Got your classic Greek setting here. Bougainvillea flowers. moussaka, lamb chops local, souvlaki, steaks, pork beef, sausage, izukaya. Kalispera. This beautiful Orthodox church here. Supermarket. Kalispera φίλε.
Καλησπέρα.
Τι κάνεις?
Καλά, εσύ?
Καλά, πολύ καλά.
Καλά. Εσύ?
Εμέ κατασκευή βίντεο σε Folegandros.
Μπράβο.
Folegandros είναι πολύ όμορφη. Ευχαριστώ. Καλησπέρα. Καλά, εσύ? Bravo. Sport for choice for food, didn't we? Some nice shops down here, another beautiful church. Oh wow, look at this little wine bar here. What a beautiful bar. I think Folegandros might have won for having the prettiest Chora in the cyclades that I've been to. Right guys, we just sat down in this taverna here in the square. I'm going to go for the fresh swordfish, the waiter recommended it. And I haven't had swordfish since I went to Crete a couple of years ago, so looking forward to that.
Let's go.
Ena saganaki ke fio zifias mifos megalo. Ωραία.
Yeah.
Ένα και
And a glass of wine. A half liter of wine. Just.
ωραία.
Πολύ ωραία. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Άρεσε πολύ. Right, the saganaki is out. It's fried. It looks like it's covered in honey and sesame seeds. It's really crispy. Yamas. Wow, that's lovely. It's really nice getting the combination of the savoury cheese with the sweet honey. Venete nostimos. So our fresh swordfish come out. Looks absolutely beautiful. True Greek style. Yeah, it's lovely. It's good swordfish, that is. This baklava is beautiful. You've got all the layers of phyllo pastry. You've got pistachio, you've got honey. Absolutely unreal. Okay guys, so this taverna here called Relax Taverna and Postilene
Strato.
Strato. Ja, Karika.
Nice to meet you.
Karika. So if you're in Chora, in Folegandros, come here.
The best restaurant with the best baklava and the best sardine, swordfish, and tuna.
Really nice meal at the Erexi Taverna we were just at. The owner's a really nice guy. He's Greek and his missus is actually Polish. Her name was Anna, so it's a Greek and Polish half and half taverna. And his missus' daughter actually studied at Southampton University, the same as Kit, which is pretty mad. It's a small world, isn't it? So we're just navigating these windy streets now. Lots of nice souvenir shops and to get your bits for your holidays. Fridge magnets, all your classic tourist stuff. Kalispera guys, we just got back to the hotel room after having a lovely evening in Chora. We met a lovely Australian couple, Glenn and Melissa. I'm sure you'll be watching this.
Big up Glenn and Melissa.
Yeah, big up Glenn and Melissa. We had a great night with yous. So we went to a lovely taverna and then we were walking the streets of Chora and then we ended up bumping into Glenn and Melissa and ended up going to a bar for a couple of drinks with them. But yeah, we're back at the hotel room now. So now we're going to go to sleep and we'll see you again tomorrow. Yassas, Kalinikta.